I can start with a super quick one. This is not going to be in the video, but I can show you. You can ignore that. So I was playing around with the logs and noticed that there's a very common pattern that folks are using internally where they're asking about themselves or their teams. And so what I did was, this is going to look terrible because it wraps, but I added a dump from Rippling with everyone's role and their reporting into the system. And it means that this is now getting passed to Blobby. And it means that we can start using this sort of org chart to ask questions. So just to show you, I can say, I took out the thing that said I'm Colin. So I'm going to say I'm Colin at omni.co. Can you tell me about AI usage for my team? Use the org data, please. It's supposed to work. We'll see. Sometimes you have to get a little bit terse with Blobby.
Well, while this is loading, do you have
Yeah.
to tell Blobby who you are? Like it doesn't know who our users
Blobby does
are?
not know who you are yet.
Okay.
I was putting that into the model file. So I said, like, I'm Colin at omni.co.
Not yet.
But it's not quite there yet. I was bootstrapping it a little bit.
This with user attributes too, and then like it'll know who you are. I tried that before. It's really cool.
Oh, you can pass user attributes. Wait, sorry, James, say that again.
Like if you make a user attribute, your email or like your name, and then you make a field just that definition, and you can add context to say like I am this field, and Blobby will know who you are basically. So you don't have to say who you are every time.
Okay. Great. Let's look at AI usage for that group. So the general point, though, is that you can start trying to ask by role and by group. So you can actually start pulling this data. You do have to go back and forth with it sometimes, and the names in our system do not always match the names in the Rippling export that I had. So again, sometimes you do have to discipline a little bit to get it to look things up. But the point is this data is in here. It would be great if people would try it. So just more of an FYI that are playing around with some of this stuff. That's all.